Hello and welcome to another episode of Planty Face. Today I am going to take you through a Cactus Club haul. So actually a little update. I've gone full nerd and I joined the Cactus Club and it was fun, it was hilarious. And when you go to the Cactus Club here in New Zealand, they actually have people selling personal collections or propagated plants and stuff like that. And this is one of those collections. Okay, this is the Euphorbia estenocala or something. Really cool, really cool plant. It is not very, it's still quite green, but not bright green. I think it just needs a little bit of better soil and a little bit of care. Okay, this loves direct sun, hot sun. We have Euphorbia greenwayii, awesome variegated pattern. I'm not sure if it is variegated, but it looks like it's variegated. Awesome plant. This is a cool plant, spiky. Gotta be very careful when I'm replanting this. It'll be a real bitch, but small pot, I'm going to replant it. Okay. And then we have the Euphorbia vigeri africanacensis, something like that. Look, sorry about the name, man. I'm going to put it down the bottom here, and we can just, yeah, whatever. There you go. I'll put the name down the bottom because I can't really say them. And then this one here, this one is not a rare plant as such, but it's pretty cool. This is the Haworthia coarctatus tenuis. What's cool about this club is that, look, people aren't there to profiteer, right? They're there to just kind of pass on their collection and they're just there to pass on their collection and kind of make sure that someone's looking after them. So anyway, this is my cactus haul, and I'm going to repot them one by one in the following subsequent videos.